What's going on, chocolatey?
Don't pull such a stupid face when you do that, Matt.
Hi, ladies.
So what are you up to today?
I am making cakes.
What are they called?
Cupcakes.
Charlie, what are they called?
Cupcakes.
Yeah,
What shape?
what shape?
Bee. Like bee.
That's not a bee. What is it?
This is a
Teddy bear.
bear. They're cheeky monkeys.
Oh, they're monkeys.
Daddy!
Daddy.
Oh, lovely. Harry's just coughing into the box. Brilliant. Right. Right, so let's open the box and Harry can read the instructions.
Yes, and me do. You need to open the box to do the stencils inside.
Oh, good.
Well, you take the cupcake mix, sketch it into a bowl,
In both
and
time.
add 440 grams of melted unsalted butter,
Okay, well, ours has got salt in it, but never mind.
1 medium egg, and 10 milk. What is this water? This water? Semi-skimmed milk.
Semi-skilled milk. Right, now we have to zero. Put that back on, darling. You need to zero the thing. So Daddy's going to turn the wheel and Harry's going to tell us when it's on 0. Wrong way, Daddy.
No, wrong way, other way. Daddy! No. It's up with an electric mixer for 1 to 2
What have we
minutes
got in the bowl?
until smooth.
Butter. It's butter, guys. Come on.
No,
We
water.
need, how much butter do we need?
Yummy. 40 grams. Dad.
Are you glad I gave you a spoon and not a knife?
Right, how much is this, Harry? Because once it goes in, we can't take it back out again.
Go commit yourself. Charlie, don't put your finger in the butter.
Is that 40 grams?
I don't even know.
No.
Didn't even move. Get in the medium egg. You need to crack it real hard. Oh,
Good boy.
there you go. Now push your thumb in and do that.
Good boy.
What a mess. Good.
Then
1, 2.
mix it.
Gently to start with.
What's going on, chocolatey?
Don't pull such a stupid face when you do that, Matt. Okay, now Charlie's turn. You had in the bowl, Harry? Because that was really helpful before. Thank you.
Let me do it. I'm supposed to do it.
Oh, okay, that's enough.
Oh, I got some on my thumb.
You're just eating raw egg. No! Right, let's get it in the cupcake holders. So get... Right, so you want to put it in and scrape. Good boy.
Right.
Now do the next one.
Get it into the middle if you can, rather than...
Slop it up the sides.
Dama. Just mummies.
Yes, sweetheart. Charlie, get your silly doo-doo head out of the way.
Right, if it goes onto the edge, it's going to just burn.
Don't.
Daddy, don't eat raw egg, you'll die.
But
Yummy
they're happy
eggs.
No, you'll die happy. Slow down, it's not a race.
Big one.
That one?
I done. Yummy.
Wow, they look so good, boys. Right, let's get them in the oven.
Yeah. I can't cut it quickly
Why not?
because I'm not a great cutter.
You are good, darling.
No.
Right, so this is the marzipan. And we're going to try and roll it flat, but we don't have a rolling pin, so a bottle of tonic water is our...
No rolling pin? Improvise.
Yeah. Is it working? Oh, it is working, that's good. Oh, good idea of Mummy's.
Dad.
Perfect for after the kids go to bed.
I'm sober, remember, I'm not drinking anymore.
Cupcakes. Cupcakes. Oh yeah, Daddy did it. Oh. What did Daddy? Let's remove the stencil. That is how you do it. Not like Daddy's attempt. Oh. Put this away. Oh, weenie, worry. Oh.
No, mine looks equally as bad. Okay, great.
So we're just putting the icing on. And
Don't touch
it.
You do your bear.
Yes.
Is it a bear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is
They're
a bear.
monkeys.
It's a monkey, isn't it? Why can we not get this?
Okay.
Has Charlie done one?
I have done 3.
Wow, they definitely look like monkeys.
Oh, yes. Oh,
Why did you think that was a good idea? Sucking it up with a syringe.
oh,
Oh,
no.
Daddy.
Daddy! Daddy, Daddy! Why?
Is it even coming out?
No, it doesn't want to. You forgot the nose.
Actually, it looks pretty good.
Is that it? Do your own ears if you can't. If you didn't manage to make it.
So, boys, what did you make?
Monkey cupcakes are a bit of a fail.
Oh, they look good. Which is your favourite one, Charlie?
This one.
You like that one. Harry, which one do you like?
This one.
Great.
Big eyes.
So, thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Say bye, ladies.
Bye, ladies.